In this video, we'll show you how to install the quick release baseplate and then the Powerpack. Identify the water bottle mount holes where you will install the baseplate. Use only the bolts supplied with your kit. Screw them on by hand and then tighten to 5 Nm with a 3mm Allen driver. Familiarize yourself with the quick release baseplate. The thumb nut sets preload to help you get the desired final clamping force. When the clamp lever is in the middle position or closed, it can't be released without engaging the safety release mechanism. The safety release mechanism is engaged by sliding the little chip on the lever. Let's have another look at how the quick release baseplate works. Make sure the clamp system is open and install the Powerpack. Move the lever to the middle position and adjust the location of the Powerpack along the frame to your preference, making sure it clears all other components. Note that when the lever is in the middle position, the Powerpack can't come out. Close the lever to clamp the Powerpack tightly. If still not tight enough, engage the safety release mechanism, move the lever to the middle position and then tighten the thumb nut a quarter turn. Then close the lever and test again.